Hello, this is Cherie Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing a swatch and review of some OPIs that I received from BeyondPolish.com. Four are OPIs. There's the one Essie, Bahama Mama. I was given a $20 off gift certificate for BeyondPolish.com, and I had to add to it a little bit, but I had to have these. And this is what we're going to swatch and review. Hotter Than You Pink. Bahama Mama. And this one is called Aurora Borealis. I really like this one. This is Lincoln Park After Dark. And this one is I Cannot Hut Up. Let's see, do I have it the right way? Let me check it out. I Can Never Hut Up. Which, I love the gray, but you know, I'm going to set these off to the side as we go. We're going to try the gray first by OPI. This is a really, really pretty color. I love grays, especially at this time of the year in the winter. Today is January 6th. In Michigan here it is like, let me see, -1 without wind chill. Today is our last day of our freezing, I guess, and we're going to head up to 40 degrees, which would be really nice. We are going to apply each color. I will do 2 coats of each. This is I Can Never Hut Up, this gray. Next I'm going to do Hotter Than You Pink. You should always shake your polishes first and let them rest for a couple of minutes so that they're not all built up in the cap. Still do 1 stripe down the center, 1 down each side, back down the center. Let me leave this open since we're going to be doing 2 coats. Next we're going to do Aurora Borealis. Well, I guess I should show them to you. See, this is Aurora Borealis. I love this. It's the pink going into the berry, but I really like it a lot. This you could probably get away with 1 coat, but we're still going to do 2 coats of everything today. Can Never Hut Up. Hotter Than You Pink. Aurora Borealis. I know I have an uneven nail down here. It broke. It always breaks on me. Yeah, we need some good filing going on. And next we're going to do Bahama Mama. Oh, I guess I should do all the OPIs first, and then I'll do Bahama Mama. This is Lincoln Park After Dark. Did I mention it's like 7 a.m.? This is a nice, rich, deep plum. That's what I'd call it. Some may call it purple, but it looks so dark, you might think it's black. You can see them better like this. Here we go. Last but not least is Bahama Mama by Essie. These were all off of BeyondPolish.com, $5.75. That's a lot cheaper than in the stores. So I do hope you will check them out. They've got great customer service, a great marketing team, which I've had the pleasure of talking to a few times. They did send me a Christmas present, which I did a video of on, so please go and check that out. Here is Bahama Mama. These are all 5 polishes that I bought from them. And we are going to do 2 coats, like I said. Ignore these up here. These here, these 3, were the Christmas present that I received from BeyondPolish.com. This one is me screwing around stamping, but we'll ignore that right now. But here is our 5 from Beyond Polish. They're just a great company to work with. I'm not being sponsored by them per se, but when I very first ordered from them, it took me like 3 weeks to get my order. So they in return gave me free shipping on my next order, which was great. And then they did want to work with me. I need to get my view count up, so please watch my videos. Please click subscribe, like, click the bell down in the corner so you get to see all the videos. You'll get notifications of those. I do like new YouTubers, new viewers. Please leave me comments down in the comment box. I do answer all comments. I'm never too busy for those. Gotta stay up to par, or up to what's the word I'm looking for? Gotta keep up with your subscribers. If it wasn't for them, we wouldn't be here at all. We're back to Hotter Than You Pink. I really like this. It's a nice hot pink. It's got some shimmer going on. Let me see if I can show you in the bottle. I don't know if you can see the shimmer in it, but it's really pretty. Really pretty. Again, this is OPI, Hotter Than You Pink. That is 2 coats of it. Next is Aurora Borealis. When our second coat, like I said before, this can be a 1-coater. So could Lincoln Park After Dark. They don't need 2 coats of Lincoln Park After Dark, but for the sake of the video, I'm doing 2 coats. Oops. I just messed up the gray. I'm doing 2 coats of everything. And I messed up the gray at the tip. How nice. Whoa. Almost knocked over the Lincoln Park After Dark. We don't want that on my desk. Definitely don't need 2 coats. This is a 1-coater. And this, I love this color, except it just looks so almost black. But it's not. It's like a rich, deep plum. And that's 2 coats of that on the nail wheel. Last but not least, again, is Bahama Mama. Bahama Mama is a 2-coater because I can see through it after the first coat. So that's alright. That's what I'm here for. Is to show you, to teach you, to give you the knowledge of what I'm doing. So there we go. All 5 colors, 2 coats each. I do advise a top coat when you're wearing these. I prefer a fast drying glossy top coat like Seche Vite. I was using Miss Impatient by Sinful Colors, but I want to do a comparison. So this is how far I branched out so far as with the Seche Vite. Next, I may try Out the Door, or Sally's has a fast drying top coat. Well, I'm going to get a couple, try them out, and then I'll do a video of a comparison. But for today, this is it with the 5 colors, 4 from OPI, 1 from Essie, Bahama Mama. I do recommend them all. I do recommend visiting beyondpolish.com. Check them out. Their prices are cheaper than going to the Ulta or going to another website and ordering, so that's a bonus there. They do, once you subscribe to them and get their newsletters, they do send you coupons in your emails, 15% off site-wide, 20% off, so they're a good company to work with and to order from. Give you a last look at these. I hope you have a great day. Stay warm out there, folks, because it's freezing. It's like 13 below here in Michigan with the wind chill factor. That's not a good thing to have. Well, whoa! We just lost the camera. I think we're good, though. I'll hold it up. Well, I'm going to end this for now since we had that mishap. Have a blessed day. Thank you.